Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a particular conversation to your favorites on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then you should select a contact or a conversation that you would like to mark as your favorite. So all you have to do is swiping to the left side of the screen until these two options appear, from which you need to click on the first one, which is indicated by 3 dots. Then tap on the first option, add to favorites, and as you can see, this conversation has been put into this new map favorites, so it will be always at the top of this section. You can remove this person from your favorites by repeating these steps and clicking on the first one, remove from favorites, so this conversation is no longer added to your section of favorites. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.